So this is the first course of Kaggle.com, that is Introduction to Python. The way to learn this course is first read the theory, which is on the first page. Introduction, Hello Python, small codes are there. Read it, understand it. Once you have read all through this, they have given an exercise at the end. Let me show you the exercise. Here, this is the exercise. This exercise is meant to exercise what you have learned in this page, theory. So you click on this and say right click, open new link. Then you would get into this new page. Now what this new page is, it itself is an editor. Like you do not have to download any software, anything. Everything is running on the cloud. What you have to do is just learn 4 steps which you need to do to complete this exercise. So first step is to know how to run the code. To run the code, you click on it, a play button will appear. You click on this play button and code is run. That's it. Now, in this exercise, you have to do one step mandatory. That is to set up the page like this kernel to run your code. Each individual will run this setup in their own system. So how to run up this system? You go to the part where it says setup complete and you click on it and you click on play button. Let's say you did not do this. Then what would happen is when you run any code, it will show error. Why it is showing error? Because the setup is not complete. Now if I go here and run this setup and I get a message setup completed, you are ready to start. Now if I come here and run, you see I did not get the error. What they are saying is, hey, you have not completed the assignment. Now second step is to replace this ... with your code. What code? The code that they have asked for. So what they are saying here is create a variable called color with an appropriate value on the line below. Remember, string is in Python must be enclosed in single quote. So I will say they have wanted me to create a color and I will say orange, right? And I want to run these and run this code to check whether this is a right answer or not. So I click play and it says incorrect. Why it says incorrect? Because it is trying to teach you that what is the process to follow to run this exercise. So let's assume that orange is a wrong color. So it says if you run it, it will say incorrect and it will say orange is not your favorite color. Maybe it is, but we are writing the rules. Means the Kaggle people are writing the rule for introducing how to run the code in Kaggle. So this point to the question is to force you to get some practice asking for a hint. So it is designed to get you a practice how to ask for a hint. So how to ask for a hint? You go ahead and comment the call q0.hint because this is question 0, that's q0 hint in the code below for a hint. So you go here and you see q0.hint and you uncomment it and you run it. If you run it, you get a hint. Your favorite color, write the rhythms with blue. Okay, blue. So let's try if blue is the answer because it's a hint. So I change and I say blue and I run it. Yes, that's the correct answer. Now, how it is knowing whether it is giving correct or wrong? Because we have a check, q0.check. This is a predefined method given by the Kaggle to know whether your answer is correct or not. If you comment this one and run it, then you would not know your answer is right or wrong. Why? Because the method that is they have given to check your answer is comment. So you have to ensure that when you want to check your answer, uncomment it and run it, and it will tell you whether it is a right answer or wrong answer. Correct answer. Now, let's say for some reason you could not come to a right answer. You said blue is the right answer. Okay, you could not get the right answer. So check says, very funny. Like in a way, tell you it is incorrect. Now, you could not get the answer. Now, how to get the answer? So Kaggle, what it does in the solution, it gives you solution also. So what you do, you comment the hint and look at solution q0 dot solution, because question 0 q0 question 0, and you play. Now you get the solution color equal to blue. So you give blue and run. Correct answer. So this is how you Kaggle have designed this course to learn. What they do is they give you area where you can write your own code and give you a method to check whether it is the right answer or not. If you cannot get it, you can still try by looking at hints. If you still could not get it, you can directly look at the solution and see what wrong you have done. Look, for example, let's complete the code below. It is useful. A plus B is addition, A minus B subtraction, A into B multiplication. Okay, different operation. Now let's read what it is asked to do. It has given pi value 3.141159. Diameter is 3. Now, in comment it is telling what we have to do. And what we have to do is remove this dash line and fill up with the code that this line has asked us to do. So what it is asking, create a variable called radius and it is equal to the half of diameter. So what I will do, here I will create a radius equal to how much? Half of diameter. Diameter variable is here. So diameter divided by 2. Then next, create a variable called area using the formula for the area of a circle, that is pi times radius square. See, it is given. So what I have to do? I have to remove this dot 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 and I have to write a variable called area. And area equal to how much? Pi r square, pi. We already have a pi variable, pi into. Now we already have a radius. Now it is square. So what I will do? I will keep it in a bracket. Square means 2 times radius. Done. Now it is checking. Check your answer, because this is question 1. The above was question 0. This is question 1. Question 1 0. Check. You play. Correct. Let's say I did not do it correctly. I have given by mistake 3 times, and you play it. It will say incorrect. Area is this much. Now I want a hint. So I will uncomment it to 10 hint and read a hint. The syntax for the bth power is a into b. So it is giving, if I want a power a to the power 2, then a power b. Let's say I understood and I did use power, means radius square, and run. Let's say. Correct. I got it. Let's say I did not understood and I did this. It will say incorrect. I did not understand the hint and still saying incorrect. Then what I can do? I can uncomment the hint because I did not understand it and go for the solution. And it tells us the solution. Pi into radius into pi. Oh, I should have given double star, not single star. So I give double star, looking at the solution and comparing my solution with it. Answer is correct. So this is how you run the exercise in Kaggle. And make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.